Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your device passcode and biometrics work. This secures the hidden area. Open the Photos app and find the album or image you want hidden. Once selected, tap Share and choose Hide so the image moves to the hidden album. This step prevents casual browsing. Make sure notifications and lock screen previews won't reveal content. You're doing this to keep photos out of the main library while still accessible with the passcode for privacy when needed. Now enable protection. Go to Settings, then Photos, and toggle the hidden album off from the main library so it doesn't appear by default. Next, set a separate passcode if your OS allows, or confirm the device passcode and Face ID/Touch ID are configured to unlock hidden content. Once done, the hidden album stays out of sight unless you authenticate. This layered protection reduces accidental discovery while preserving convenient, secure access when you need the images. To access the hidden album, you'll open Photos or Settings and authenticate with the passcode or biometrics. Do this each time to view content. Manage items by selecting photos to unhide or move. Unhid photos return to the main library and sync with the cloud, so make sure iCloud settings match your privacy needs. If the passcode or Face ID fails, try device recovery options or restore from a secure backup. If that's not possible, contact device support for account recovery guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.